Hola amigos, bienvenidos a Puerto Los Cabos.
Okay guys, welcome to La Noria 128. Let's go and check it out. Hello guys, this is your boy Edgar Legaria. Today with the Oppenheim Group Cabo, we came to an open house that is in La Noria, in the subdivision of Puerto Los Cabos, San José del Cabo. We just drive like for 30 minutes from Cabo San Lucas. And today I'm with Claudia. I want to ask her her first impression about their house. What do you think about this home?
It's a beautiful property and I love all its views.
That's excellent, and that's absolutely right. Because we are looking at the Cortesi, and we're gonna take a look more into the details of this home. So let's go and check it out. This magnificent villa offers special features for you guys. A spa that is indoors, elevator, infinity pool, and spectacular views of the Cortesi. Also, around in the community has social and golf course. We finished this open house tour. I hope you guys enjoy this property. This one just came to the market. It's an extraordinary 5-bedroom, 6-bath, priced just right at $5 million US. So if you guys need more details, feel free to reach out anytime. I'm gonna leave here my contact, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.